Yo, what is going on? Good morning. This is Andrew, known as Zero Draw Drew, Pip Catchers Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel. It'll keep us motivated to put this content out every day. So let's get into it. GBPUSD, as you can see, we are bearish on the weekly chart. It is reading bearish momentum. It is Friday right now, so I'm not sure if, this bearish move is done for the week. Right now, we do need to get all buyers liquidity before we can even start to move down. We are going to watch these levels listed because, there is a chance that we could continue to drop today, but I think it's unlikely because I think we need to get buyers liquidity first. On the hourly chart, we are reading this inverted crown that's starting to form, right? If you look at what's happened overnight, we had this rally towards this 100 resistance, which is that key resistance right there, but all buy liquidity was not grabbed above that level. As you can see, we are rejecting that level pretty nicely, so I think we are going to get above that. I think we want to get to this U resistance at this 300 key level, so that's where I want to trade towards. Right on the 15-minute chart. In the 15-minute chart, we got this this pattern right here where all sellers liquidity is. All sellers liquidity is below this trend line and this key level right here. We're also watching the key support where we're sitting at right now on a 5-minute chart. It's at that 1.33920 key level. Right, so I want to see, bears get trapped down here. Once the bears get trapped, we could trade towards that overall buyer liquidity. Our overall target is going to be this 1.34160 key zone, right? So we just want to wait for a little bit more price action. It's 8.59. I want to see something like this. I want to see this get taken out. I don't want to see it come back in. Once it comes back in, we could get in that trade because then we know all sellers are trapped. Right now, we've been consolidating on the hourly chart for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. So usually when I see something like this, it means that we're going to get a decent New York session. Because usually when it's slow overnight, the momentum starts to pick up later in the day. So I want to ignore that. It might be a slow New York session, and if it's a slow New York session, that means that price is going to start to move late New York session around, 12 to 3 o'clock to market close, so on, so forth. So like I said, guys, it's 9 o'clock right now. I want to see the bears get trapped somewhere below this level. Once that happens, we're going to look for that buy opportunity up to the buyer liquidity, which is at this U resistance and above. So we'll see you guys in a bit when this thing starts to set up, and let's go. Alright guys, we're going to take this buy right now. We're going to target this trend line up here. We'll be back in a bit. Let's go. Alright guys, we're securing this shit right now. That's how you fucking do it. Let's go, baby. We'll see you guys Monday. Alright guys, make sure you like this, subscribe to this channel. Keep us motivated to put this shit out every day. We're going to keep this video running a little bit. Maybe you'll get another opportunity. But if you don't hear from me, like this, subscribe. We'll see you next week. Let's go.